You do not have to accept ideas. You can establish anew. You can establish and should be, as a conscious creator, establishing, intending that which you desire. Comb through your life and establish the ideas that you intend in every area. Do not leave anything up to chance, even if it's highly general. Even if it's a general idea. When I get home today, I intend to feel good and have fun. When I go to work, I intend to feel good and have fun. When I go to the restaurant, I intend to have an excellent experience. When I go on vacation, we intend to have an excellent experience. Hello and welcome to Consciousness Ascending. My name is Benny Ferguson. I channel the non-physical collective known as Abraham, and our mission is to support you in uncovering the nature of Source within and accelerating the experience of your desires. In today's session, we discuss how you are engaged in a process of creation. We discuss how your creations are colored by your vibration, and we discuss how you are consistently offering. At the end of this session, be sure to check the description, because if you're like me, you've been at this spiritual awakening, spiritual development game for many years, wondering if you're doing it right or not, wondering if it's working or not, wondering if you can accelerate the process. Well, if you've asked this question or any of the myriad of other questions I know I have asked, and you've made the transition from just information gathering to the actual play and practice of transformation, then I want to invite you to what may be the most important presentation that you will ever experience. In this presentation, you're going to learn the 3 attention shifts that you must make in order to begin working at your foundation, the true starting place to manifestation. And you're going to learn how we support individuals aspiring to be powerful conscious creators to accelerate the process in what we call the Ascension Accelerator. The Ascension Accelerator is the highest level, the most comprehensive support for the aspiring conscious creator. We are incredibly excited that you're here, and we look forward to supporting you. The mystery of the means. The mystery of the means describes that there is a mystery, there is confusion, there is an unknown element to the creation of experience. And the interesting thing is that humanity is engaged in a process as a whole, as well as even more powerfully, each individual human being is engaged in a process, a specific process of creation that is initiated from the inside out. Each individual is involved, has an inner creative process through which their verse, their universe is created. Your universe being your existence, your consistent and constant experience being created around you on your plane of existence, in your home, with your family, outside of your home, in your jobs, your careers, beyond that, in your experience of individuals and beings that you don't even meet, don't even know, the animals, the trees. Your experience continues to expand, but the results that you interact with, the experiences that are created around you, whether in close proximity or at a further radius, are all created by you. First and foremost, they are colored by your vibration. What is your consistent expression of energy? The frequency. Are you consistently in a state of anxiety, frustration, anger? Or are you consistently in expressing the frequencies of joy, of love, of excitement? It matters, friends. It matters the frequency that you're expressing. It matters how you feel, for it colors every next present moment. And you have to be aware of the momentum that has been created to this point. That momentum must play out. Even though you can begin right now to establish a new vibration, establish a new momentum. And yes, it will begin to filter out the old, but the old momentum exists. And it has already been expressed. So it is already in play in the game that is the creation of experience for you in your verse. But at each present moment, you can establish anew. Each present moment, you can establish anew through your expressing, through your choosing that which you will entertain in your mind and body. Choose that which you desire to experience, to fathom. Choose that which you desire. Choose that which you enjoy to hold within the mind and body. For in doing so, you will, as a result, feel good, or at least better than what has been your norm. If you are consistently entertaining in your mind that which you do not desire, then you are consistently in a state, offering a state of being that is low vibrational, doesn't feel good, is not exciting. It may be frustrating. It may cause you to feel anger or hurt or helpless. All of these are low vibrational. You can entertain within your mind and body ideas of success, ideas of beauty, ideas of love, ideas of winning that cause you to feel good. And this is important because how you feel colors your next present moment, whether you have a specific intention or not. But once you begin to rein in your attention and you begin to establish yourself in that which feels good, then you can insert a desired manifestation, a desired experience into that frequency. And as it begins to show up and when it appears in front of you as experience, it will be colored by the frequencies, the tones that you offered the idea in. Because that is how it works. That is how creation works for you. That is how creation works for humanity. When it comes to humanity, there are groups of individuals who all have accepted ideas. If you are a part of a group that has accepted a specific idea, then you are a part of a group that will have a unified joint experience. Examine your life and see where you are in unity with a group on an idea. It could be your family. It could be at your job, where you and your coworkers accept that a boss can be unpleasant, that a boss can be not the best of people, but you accept that idea because of their authority. It could be the same type situation at home with a parent, where you accept their disrespect, their dishonor because they are in authority, and not just you, your siblings accept that same idea. You could be on a sports team and you're aware that the team and the organization all expect and accept the idea of winning, and therefore you win multiple championships because the tone has been set and everybody accepts that idea. Look through your life and notice how you are accepting ideas in alignment with groups of people. And notice if you're accepting ideas of experiences that you desire, or if there are experiences that you do not desire, but you to this point have unconsciously accepted the idea. You do not have to accept ideas. You can establish anew. You can establish and should be, as a conscious creator, establishing, intending that which you desire. Comb through your life and establish the ideas that you intend in every area. Do not leave anything up to chance, even if it's highly general. Even if it's a general idea. When I get home today, I intend to feel good and have fun. When I go to work, I intend to feel good and have fun. When I go to the restaurant, I intend to have an excellent experience. When I go on vacation, we intend to have an excellent experience. When we go on holiday with family and friends, we intend to have a beautiful experience. It can be general, but that is a clear intention. Do not leave your life up to chance. Do not leave your life up to the potential of inner conflict or resistance being stronger than your desires or your intentions. Do not live your life up to chance to where you may or may not be accepting ideas in accordance with the group that you are participating in that is actually of an experience that you do not desire. You are not helpless. You never have been. You are not a victim. You never have been. You are a creator. But you must rein in the ideas pervading your mind, for they are the filters through which the creative fire that you are expressing is fueled to be reflected in the mirror of experience. Once you know this, now that you know this, you must begin the play and practice of reining in your attention and intending the ideas that will be expressed, the vibrations that will be expressed, and the ideas that will be reflected. Powerful you are, and we are excited for you, and we're excited to be of support to each of you who are making the decision to take the reins of their own transformation. We are thankful, grateful for the opportunity to share. We're thankful for the vessel. Thankful for each of you offering fertile ground for these transmissions. We are here for you from our now non-physical perspective, offering that which you know to be true, offering that which we know will transform your life. We honor you. We celebrate you, and we love you. We love you. We love you. And do not forget that if you desire to accelerate this process, then we look for you in the accelerator. Thank you.